You guys know I'm a huge car guy. Since I was a kid, I've always liked cars. And the Nissan GTR, when it first came out, I was like, I'm gonna get this car. Especially with Fast and Furious, with me being inspired by it, we had to do the Fast and Furious, two Fast and Furious, livery on it. But just earlier last week, I had a chance to pick up a car that I've always wanted. Uh, didn't think I would get it, but things happen for a reason, and they hit me up, and here it is. Brand new BMW M240i in Astoro blue with the full M package. Big M brakes, big brake dust, carbon accents, carbon mirrors, high kick trunk flip, carbon as well. And here's the awesome part. 6-speed manual, boys. Save the manuals. The Oyster interior. So, haven't really had a chance to clean it. Yep, it's dirty. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's see what we have in store for this new beauty. Yep, I know the paint is gorgeous on that car, and honestly, I haven't had the chance to wash it, so I'm definitely going to enjoy it. So this is my lineup today that I'm going to use. We got our Revive Interior Cleaner Conditioner with a Dragon Tail brush and a Max Wax pad. Then we got the Reboot Soap. Strip all the nasty contaminants off. We're going to use that with our foam bazooka. And it's an M, so obviously brake dust is bad. So we're going to be using Breakaway. Probably either the big brush or the small brush. I'm not sure yet. Probably use both. That's really going to get rid of all that brake dust and really make the wheels look new again. To top it off, finish it off using Neo Armor. Seal the paint, make it blast and reflect and shine for months and months and months. And last but not least, windows. Just got the windows tinted, so Neo Glass is perfect for tinted windows. And then you add that on top of the Super T window towels, we should be good to go. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Now, I always like to start with the wheels. So because this has M brakes, it puts off a lot of brake dust, but stops really well. So what we're going to do, or what I like to do, is normally let the car cool down first. Go to touch, then hit it with some water, then hit it with some Breakaway, and then agitate the bad boy with the big daddy brush and the small baby brush. Let's get to it. They look white again, thank goodness. So now we're going to move to all the interior bits. This includes the dashboard, the navigation screen, air conditioning LCD, and the speedometer. And one thing I've learned is to always use the right tools. So for this job, we're going to use NeoGlass. Yes, NeoGlass works for glass, but it also works for polycarbonate, plastic, and even stainless steel, and LCD screens. Now, why should you use NeoGlass and use it with a Super T towel? Because the last thing you want to do is scratch any of this stuff. This is super expensive. So this is what I like to do. Never directly spray onto these electronics unless you feel like frying up your stuff. So what I like to do is just take NeoGlass, spray it on a small part of the Super T towel, like right there. Not too much. And really just go into it. Now, last thing you want to do is scratch your LCD screen. This stuff is super expensive. But with this Super T towel and also the NeoGlass, it'll look amazing. Voila. Then you can do the mirrors as well. wash it out. Good to go. Perfect. LCD screen. And then the speedometer. No one likes a dirty dash. Looks good to me. No scratches, no streaks. Perfect. Finally done. Look at her. Beautiful. Paint is restored. Brand new. Interior is super duper clean. Definitely helps you unwind and unstress. So until next time, guys, take care of your cars and see you around.